In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to your Trust wallet. To do this, step number 1 is to open up your Trust wallet and find your receiving address. So to do this, just open the Trust wallet app on your phone, tap the token you want to receive, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, whichever one you want to send, and if it's not visible, tap Add Tokens and enable it. Then tap Receive and copy your wallet address. Then also double check the network that is shown, for example Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, etc. For example, Bitcoin will often be on the Bitcoin network, and that starts with BC for example. Then Ethereum is ERC20 tokens, so the Ethereum network, which often starts with 0x, but basically it's important that the network you select in Kraken must match the one shown in Trust Wallet, otherwise you could lose your funds. Now I also recommend just sending a small fraction of what you want to send first to see if it arrives, and from there sending the rest. But to do this, first just going to open up Kraken and go to your portfolio and click on withdraw. Then here select the same cryptocurrency that you picked on Trust Wallet. For example, I use Bitcoin, and select the same network. So for me, for example, the Bitcoin network. Then click Add Withdrawal Address and paste in the address that you just copied on Trust Wallet. And for the nickname, just do something by which you can recognize it. But for example, I'll just select one of the ones I already have. Then here choose how much you want to send. Again, I recommend doing a small amount first and then sending the rest to see if it arrives. From there, click Review and just go ahead and confirm it. So click Review right there, then you have the amount, the fee, how much you will receive. Just make sure that the network, cryptocurrency and address are all correct. And if they match with your Trust Wallet, click Confirm, and from there it will be transferred to your Trust Wallet. So now you know how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, we'll see you in the next video.